Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do for this video is to give you all some tips and tricks on how to write a pickleball business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll talk about pickleball business plans and give you some pointers on how to write one. All right, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the Pickleball Club, or specifically writing a Pickleball Club business plan. So, the first tip that I like to give my clients, and I actually follow myself, is to make sure your cover page is neat, it's clean, and it's not overwhelming. So, typically, what I would do for my cover page for my clients is I'd put the title of the company up front. I'll put the business logo underneath, and then at the bottom, I'll have business plan. And the reason that I follow this structure is, well, you kind of want the reader to know what your company name is. You want to go ahead and show them your logo. Hopefully, it has something to do with a pickleball or a pickleball paddle or the pickleball game in general. And then finally, you do want to go ahead and tell them this is a business plan. There's a lot of different documents that may come into play when you're looking for investors or sharing your business plan with other people. And you might have your strategic plan, you might have your marketing plan. Well, you definitely want to go ahead and let them know that this is the business plan. And the second tip that I like to share with my clients, as well as when I write business plans for pickleball, is you want to tell a story in your executive summary about your company. And in the story, you want to go ahead and you want to share what your company is going to do and how it's going to do it. You want to let them know who your target market is. And then you also want to let them know is how much money you're going to make, based on your business plan summary. And then finally, you want to tell them how much money you need in order to make your story come to reality. So you should follow a specific structure for your executive summary, and it should almost tell a story. Tell them about your company, tell you who's you're going to be serving, tell them the financial highlights, and then finally how much money you need to get this party started. And then finally, the tip number 3 for a pickleball business plan is going to be to include a SWOT analysis, but you want to make sure you do the SWOT analysis correctly. So a SWOT analysis just means strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And when you're doing your SWOT analysis, you want to make sure your strengths and your weaknesses are focused on the internal aspect of your business or things that you control. Like you've got documented plans. Well, a lot of businesses don't even have a business plan or a strategic plan or a marketing plan. Your firm will, so that's a strength. Management experience is another strength, and it's something you can control. And so make sure that these are within your control. And then opportunities and threats, those are focused on external aspects of your business. That is focused on your local competitors. That's focused on, your appeal to a wide variety of clientele. So those are external that you have no control over. So make sure when you go ahead and create your SWOT analysis is to focus on the appropriate segments of your business, strengths and weaknesses, internal aspect, and then opportunities and threats, your external environment. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.